Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Minecraft Bedrock Edition. While trying to install, you got an error of waiting on install. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to head over to settings menu. From here, click on the option Windows Update, and if any kind of update is pending, make sure you choose the option Download and Install to make your operating system up to date. After updating the Windows, you need to open up the Microsoft Store. In Store, from the left pane, click on the option Library, and from here, either the Minecraft or any other app or games is pending right over here. Make sure you will find the option of Get Updates or Update All. So simply click on the option Update All, especially the Minecraft. Once the update is fully complete, again go to the home of the store and then again search for the Minecraft. Once Minecraft is open, select the game, hit the install button, and hopefully the issue with the installation will be completely fixed out. But make sure right in the library all the apps including the Minecraft launcher must be fully updated by clicking on the option Update All. If this also failed, in third step, you need to open up the Xbox app right into your PC. In Xbox app, right in the search box, search for the Minecraft for Windows. Instead of using the Microsoft Store, you need to use the Xbox Store. Launch, search for Minecraft for Windows, select your game and click on the option Install, and this will completely fix out your issue of Minecraft waiting on install, especially the Bedrock edition. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.